Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 124. A preliminary meeting was held in our Masonic Hall last Saturday to consider the preservation of the park estate for the use of the general public. Several peculiar circumstances have prejudiced the consideration of the matter in the past, and the peculiarity of the case when published in the newspaper arrested the attention of many local celebrities who saw that action was necessary if the reputation of the town was to be upheld. The estate contains some very old ruins in the perpendicular style of architecture, and its history is somewhat hidden in obscurity. But the buildings are in such a state of dilapidation that it is now deemed wise to protect them from further decay. It is said that if the prerogative of a local lord were exercised, in all probability none of the land would be available for the use of the people. But as this is very improbable, we need not enter upon a debatable topic which might cause us to show any but charitable feelings. At the meeting, the chair was taken by a publisher who practices much real charity and who has distinguished himself on the local bench, a tribunal of which we are proud. On the platform were Mr. Arthur Johnson. He has performed signal services for his town. Mr. James Smith, the applicability of whose impracticable and republican theories is of little account in the performance of our daily duties, and Dr. Rawson, a very proficient master in the art of logic and one who has a very wide practice among some of the best families of the district. Full stop.